Hi everybody, welcome back to the Villains and Vice channel. I'm Beth, and today we have an extra special magic mail day. I had the best mail day. I got my first Bibbidi Box, my first subscription box of any kind, and I also got my new iPhone. I went with the iPhone 13 Pro in the pretty blue color. It's weighty. It has the super awesome camera on the back, which I'm really excited to use for videos and photos. It has kind of a metal casing, which is nice. Do you remember when you used to like drop your iPhone and no matter how it landed, the screen was going to crack? I'm glad that's not the case anymore. Really excited to get this bad boy up and running because my old phone, I used to think that it was me. I'd have to put my phone almost on speakerphone to talk to people. And then one day we were in the car and I had to take a phone call just on the phone and not through my vehicle. So I had to like give the phone to Mike because I was driving. He's like, I can't hear anything. And I was like, oh my gosh, I thought it was just me. So anyway, that's my iPhone story. Let me get back to my Bibbidi Box. So if you're not familiar, and I'm sure most of you are, it is a specially curated subscription box that comes every month. And I got the Ultimate Magic Box, which is $119, but it goes from like, I want to say like $9.99, which is like decals and stickers, all the way up to $2.99, which would give you, a couple designer items and all kinds of like little things. So I landed somewhere in the middle. I have to say, I do love the box. It has the Hollywood Tower Hotel logo, some Mickey balloons. It's a small world, very, very cute. I'm a little nervous and also very excited. I am kind of particular about things, and the way this works is you are given a preference sheet. So you log in and you fill out your preferences, things you like, sizes, favorite characters, things you don't want to get. And I feel like I almost had more things I didn't want to get than things I do want to get. Like I specifically said, please don't send me anything with birds. And I also said, please don't send me anything with Stitch, because as you guys may or may not know, I am not a fan of Stitch. I don't know why he's everywhere. It almost annoys me. And then you also get like this multi-page list of things that you could put on your wish list. And I went through like, I don't know how many items, it was over 100 items. And I think I landed on like 5 things. So whoever curated my box was probably like, this woman is impossible. So I apologize if I was unnecessarily difficult to shop for. Can we just do a quick stink bug check? I think we're good. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, so first of all, it's upside down. All right. So the first thing I see is this super duper cute card. It's black with Mickey ghosts and pumpkins and a bat. Spooky. Boo to you. It's really not so scary. Boo to you. A trick or treat for you. That's boo. It's you know who. A boo to you and you and you. Happy Halloween. Very cute. It says Bibbidi on the back. We have some lavender tissue paper and a really cute Bibbidi sticker. Kind of Halloween-y colors. Oh, no, you don't. Mike, I was almost gotched. No, it wasn't Stitch. It was a stink bug. Again, he was crawling at me. So there are foozles everywhere. All right. Oh my God. So the very first thing I see was something I put on my wish list. I love the villains. And I've seen some cute lounge flies, but never like wanted to carry one myself. But I did really like this one. It is a lounge fly with all the villains on it. Ah! They're all in flames. You have the Evil Queen and Ursula, Maleficent, aka Mephi. Queen of Hearts is on there. Jafar, Hades. Oh, Captain Hook. Cruella's on here somewhere. I know I saw her. There she is. I love it. Am I a loungefly person now? Does one loungefly qualify you as a loungefly person? Because I have one. It's a cute little zipper pocket on the front. Lots of trash inside. The fabric is very cool. It's pretty much like the outside. The little zip pocket inside. And the little pull tab for the outside pocket is the poison apple, which is one of my favorite motifs, and I'm pretty sure I've actually put that on my preference list too. I love anything poison apple, which makes me sound like some kind of supervillain, but maybe that's what I wanted. Oh, it's so like buttery soft. Does it smell? No. I love that like pool float smell. I was kind of hoping it smelled like that. Alright, so that was awesome. Got a little thing of Fable Brown's coffee, Halloween on Main Street, pumpkin spice. We, and by we I mean Mike, drinks a lot of coffee. I have like 1 cup a day, but super excited for this. I love the little Mickey pumpkin on the label. I wish I could smell it through the bag, but I can't. I got some stickers. Hocus Pocus. Oh look, another glorious morning makes me sick. It's really not so scary. Spooky season. Black flame candle. Candles and curses. That's cute. And Mickey bats, which I'm like weirdly into. Very cute. I'm sure I can put those to good use. So I put this on my wish list. One of the 5 things that I thought I needed was a Mickey cat collar. Has Mickey heads and fish. Oh, this is cute. I'm in a little Mickey bell charm. I'm probably the only person who put this on their wish list, but I wanted it. It's a Disney Parks Resorts exclusive. Oh, and it's reflective. Not that my cats go outside, because they don't, but who's gonna be the lucky kitty? And our last item are these cute little coasters. They're like wood on one side and ceramic on the other side. And they say boo with Mickey pumpkins. Very cute. I love these. And I feel like we can never have enough coasters, and I love seasonal coasters. Oh, they're all different. The big pumpkin Mickey. My Mickey bats. And the Mickey ghost. Very, very cute. So I have to say, they didn't send me anything crazy. A lot of the things they sent me were on my wish list, which is good. I guess that's why you have the wish list, right? I love my new lounge fly. Is it like a slippery slope? Am I gonna like go overboard on these? I mean, it is really cute. So let me get out my packing slip. My box was curated with love by Josh. Thank you, Josh. I love it. The coffee is $4.99. The cat collar was $12.99. The coasters were $38. And my beautiful Villain Lounge fly was $70 for a total of $125.98. And I paid $119, so not a bad value. Like I said, I really love everything I got in my box, so I'm definitely gonna carry it over to next month, and maybe I won't pick so many things from the wish list. Maybe I'll see if they can figure me out without me giving them helpful hints. So what did you think? Was there something in particular in my box that you think that you really want? Should I continue to pick things off of the wish list for next month? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.